So, you already know solar power is a great way to save money and help the environment. Not to mention, it's the first step to true energy independence. But you might be thinking, where do I even start? If you're like most people, these questions can be overwhelming. Most solar providers push you into a one-size-fits-all solution, but not Powur. With Powur, you get maximum choice with your own personal guide. That means a totally customized solution for your home. So, how exactly do we do that? You see, at Powur, we install a lot of solar, but we're not a solar company. Powur is a platform that connects a national ecosystem of solar professionals, industry-leading technology and product partners, diverse financing solutions, and locally certified installation teams. Tens of thousands of homeowners have trusted the Powur platform to go solar, and we think you will too. Because we make it simple for you to take your power back. Here's how it works. It starts with your own dedicated Powur consultant who walks you through the entire process as your solar guru and your personal advocate. Solar today is a lot more than just panels on the roof. Do you need storage? Do you have an electric vehicle or are you getting one soon? Are you adding on to your home? Are you looking to be protected against outages? Whatever your energy needs, your consultant has the answer. They've been trained and certified on our platform and will design a system you can be confident about. So let's talk about how easy it can be to pay for all that innovation. Just like our solar systems, when it comes to financing, Powur is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Powur offers one of the most diverse selections of financing options possible. From cash purchase to attractive loan offerings to leases or PPAs, we know everyone can benefit financially from clean energy. Once we know your goals, the better we can recommend the best path for you. Your consultant will walk you through your financing options, and you'll see solar just makes sense. Dollars and cents, that is. We already know what you're thinking next. How do I make sure my solar is installed right? Well, a good installation starts with the right design. Powur's expert in-house team will optimize your system design and get all your permits approved. When it's time to install, we partner with a network of local installers certified and ready to go on the Powur platform. Going solar with Powur means you get the best of both worlds. A national network with buying power, diverse product options, and customized plans. And a local expert with high-quality workmanship on the day of installation. And it doesn't stop there. Rest easy with Powur Care. Powur's 30-year warranty gives you unparalleled peace of mind. That's right, we've got your back for the years to come. Join tens of thousands of customers coast to coast who have trusted the Powur platform to turn a confusing buying process into a fully customized experience. Together, we can make a difference for your family. Together, we can make an impact on this planet. Together, we will never be in the dark.